Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Absent Friend. Go ahead and fill up a glass with ice and measure out 2 ounces of gin. There's 1 and 2. We're going to follow that up with 2 ounces of light cream or milk, whichever you prefer. And we'll give it a shake. Get the gin and the cream or milk mixed together. Don't have to shake it too much. Set up a glass, go ahead and pour it in. And now for the fun part. Add some whipped cream. Try not to overflow it too much. Looks like we did, that's okay. And we're going to put some nutmeg on top. There we go. Add a straw. And bottoms up.